Look no further than the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado. The Colorado delivers the power you need to get the job done, the comfort and amenities you want, and the fuel efficiency that just makes sense in today's world. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: convenience package, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, keyless entry, navigation system, bed liner, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors. The Colorado takes care of business without sacrificing comfort and convenience. Take it out for a drive and see for yourself.